Welcome to Beaufurn's 3D Configurator tutorial. First, start by going to www.beaufurn.com. Then search for the product you would like to customize using the Search Tool button. In this video, we will configure the Allure A1 armchair. Wait momentarily for the configurator to load or click the 3D Configurator button if needed. Once the product loads, you may begin to customize the chair. You may select any Beaufurn finish option, but in this video we will customize the wood finish by selecting COF, Customer's Own Finish. If you have not already, select a wood finish color from any online resource and save it to your computer as a JPEG file. We have done that here using the snipping tool. Back to the product page, select COF, then an Upload Your Finish box will populate. Click here, then select the saved image file from your computer. This will automatically change the finish of the legs. Now, let's add the upholstery. All Beaufurn fabrics will populate, and you can visualize many fabric options by selecting the pattern. To customize, select COM, Customer's Own Material. If you have not already, select a fabric from any online resource and save it to your computer as a JPEG file. You can use the snipping tool again, or in this case, we just right-click and select Save Image As. Back to the product page, select COM, then an Upload Your Upholstery box will populate. Click here, then select the saved image file from your computer and voila! Here is the chair and the fabrics and finishes you have selected. You can zoom in and out, rotate the image within the 3D program. Once the perspective has been set, you may then snap an image by selecting Take a Photo. Rotate as needed if a different view is desired, and take as many photos as you would like by selecting again Take a Photo. To create a cut sheet, click Get Specs. This will populate a form with a few different views, as well as dimensions, yardage requirements for plain fabrics, and so on. Save this file to send to customers. We hope you find this tool helpful. Thank you for watching.